doing a cooking video today. That's a no-go. We got a lot of things to do today. Sorry if you can't hear me. The dishwasher's going. This is going. I am making some Philly cheesesteak soup. If y'all want the recipe for that, or y'all want me to do a video on that, comment down below. But I know y'all was tired of me. I don't know if y'all were tired of me cooking. I don't know. I was tired, and I also need to get a lot of other things done. So we're just gonna do like a FaceTime vlog today. Y'all just gonna come along with me with my day. I have to take this out of my hair because I'm over it. I'm so over it. It was cool while it lasted. And then finish cooking this, serve dinner, hop in the shower, get a little man in the shower, and then start doing laundry and just kind of cleaning up and setting up for their parties. My son and my man's party is coming up, and the house is nowhere near ready. But a lot of the stuff came in, so we're gonna do some of that. But mainly just laundry tonight. But yeah, right now I just got some ground beef, some onions, some bell peppers, some Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. And then what else? Some other stuff in here. Again, if y'all want the video, comment down below. I just thought y'all were tired of seeing me cook, and I need some motivation to do something else. So yeah, I'll just talk with y'all in a minute. Hold on. Alright guys, so it's several hours later and I'm literally taking my hair out. It's kind of cute like this, you know? Sometimes I be wanting to keep it like that. But I'm watching Twitches. Have I started cleaning? No, the cooking process took forever. My dough wasn't rising from my rolls, but I scrapped that and then made some other rolls. So we finally got to eat dinner. I just did the whole bedtime routine, and yeah, it just feels like I got messier in here because I let our league play, and so there's like toys everywhere. So I'm gonna clean that up and then hop in the shower and then try to knock out some laundry. Maybe light a candle, do the whole nine. But yeah, half my head is done. Look, let me show you guys. It's literally so much. Like, this was in my head. Like, no wonder I was so hot and itchy. Like, literally. Toes, white toes. Anyways, let's take this out. next morning, and yeah, I didn't get anything done, but I'm about to drink some coffee. I just took baby boy to school, and hopefully we can tackle some of this stuff before I go to work. So yeah, step one, coffee. I've been liking this Bailey's, can y'all see that? Bailey's hazelnut. It's been hitting for sure. And I got my Jack. I'm gonna start collecting Jack mugs because I don't care. I'm gonna just start collecting Jack and Christmas mugs. That's all I'm gonna do. That's gonna be my hobby this year, because like I realized last year I didn't have none. I have like the shots. I have like the Jack and Sally shots. I'll put my haul video up here from last year, but like I didn't have no Jack, so it's my first Jack mug, and like the master of fry, okay, the Pumpkin King himself, okay, like stop playing with your man. Do I want cookie dough? Ooh, vanilla caramel cream. That seems to be the vibes today. Oh, I guess I gotta put water in the Keurig. That would be helpful. Yeah. What a week. What a week. Yeah, but this weekend is gonna be busy. So hopefully I can get some fall vibes for you guys, but ain't no promises. I don't know. I'm working on these parties. I was gonna try to do Vlogtober, but it looked like I'm gonna just put out more videos than what I normally do, and that's good for me. I posted a short every day, and probably gonna post a video 3 times a week instead of twice. Or 4, I might do 4 times a week and then do like a live or something. Yeah, that seemed more realistic for me, because yeah. But I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute, because I need to gather myself. I literally just woke up, got him together, and we drove to school. So let's go do that. You guys, so I literally forgot that I had this box of Halloween stuff that I got when it was on sale in like July. So I'm really just going through it, and it's like Christmas, early Christmas. So I had like all my Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. I think I vlogged this day actually when I got this stuff, so I'll put it at the top as well. But yeah, this was so funny, and it was just distracting. You know when you're cleaning up and you find things and you start playing with it? Yep, it was one of those moments, okay? Like, I know y'all see all this stuff around me. That was literally just in that box. Brand new, tag still on it. All Jack. Guys, I am so tired. So today I literally went into work, folded some clothes before I went in, and then now I'm like planning out menus for the party, and because I'm making homemade dinner rolls for the party, cookie dough, and there's like something else that I'm making from scratch because I refuse to buy it at the store. I refuse. But yeah, so I'm gonna be making that. So I just want to plan everything out, and then this weekend hopefully get all the last like decor stuff for the parties, and then next week I could just focus on like food and things of that such. But I'm about to hop in the shower and wash this hair, and I'm gonna try this like truly. I haven't used this in like forever. I don't remember how I liked it, so I'm gonna try this and just feel the vibes and have a little self-care moment because yeah, it's been crazy. So let's hop in the shower. Okay, so that happened. I just got out the shower and my alter ego, just like all my personalities are just right there on my cheek. So there is that. But yeah, guys, I mean, sorry for like the crazy angles, but like this is me talking on the phone. Just was like, usually it's like children screaming in the background. So y'all got a real peaceful phone call. I'm debating if I should put like some spooky socks. And I found in my little box that I have more spooky socks. They're just Freddy Krueger instead of Nightmare Before Christmas. But did y'all see in my little box I had all the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff? I forgot I even got all that. Who would have thought? I'm really trying to look for, I got my coconut oil right here. Yeah, so I'm hyped about that. That was lit. I'm just using these two. Get into it. I'm not happy about doing my hair right now at all. Yeah, but that Philly cheesesteak soup was kind of good. And the rolls that I made, yeah, for sure gonna be at the party. This is making me mad. Cause like, why aren't you being a certain, okay, there we go. I mean, we're still not second, but I mean, you're doing what you're supposed to do. But yeah, guys, I think I'm just gonna call you back later. More realistically, I'm probably gonna text you back later. I'm not gonna call you back. That's me being real. That's me being real. I know it really wasn't spooky at all, but I got things done. Off camera, it was just like, I need to get things done. So I can't really record it. But I did like 4 baskets of laundry. And so now I'm working on, that was all like the folded clothes. And so now I'm gonna do all the hanging clothes. Y'all tell me what patch y'all use to get rid of y'all friends, cause child, y'all friend is really on my cheek, and this hair is so matted. I didn't even attempt to brush it out in the shower. I really need to get that like TikTok brush, cause this one is on its last limb for sure. Yeah. Well, yeah, but I'm gonna talk to you guys and then, oh my goodness, I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next chat, in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Well, this kind of was all over the place. I was doing a lot, but I'm always doing a lot. That's just what it is. So I'll see you guys in the next one, okay?